In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide pages in Notion by removing pages from your sidebar using folders. When your Notion workspace starts getting crowded, the sidebar can quickly become overwhelming. Maybe you have old projects, reference pages, or notes you don't need to see every day, but you still want to keep them around. Instead of deleting those pages, you can neatly tuck them away into folders so your main sidebar stays clean and focused. That's exactly what we're going to walk through now. First, make sure you're in the Notion workspace where you want to organize your pages. Look over to the left-hand side of your screen. That's your sidebar. This is where all your top-level pages and existing folders live. The idea is to create a folder that will act like a container for the pages you want to hide from your main view. To begin, create a new folder in your sidebar. In Notion, this is usually done by adding a new page and setting it up as a simple container page. Give this folder a clear, descriptive name so you remember what's inside it later. For example, you might call it Archive Pages, hidden stuff, or old projects. The name doesn't affect how it works. It's just to help you stay organized. You can also choose an icon that visually reminds you that this is a storage or archive area, which makes it easier to spot in your sidebar. Once your folder is created, it will appear as a page in the sidebar. Now you're ready to move pages into it. Find the page you want to hide or remove from the main sidebar view. This might be a page you don't use every day, but still want to keep accessible when you need it. Now select that page in the sidebar with your mouse. Click and hold on the page title. While holding down the mouse button, drag that page onto the folder you just created. As you hover over the folder, you should see some visual feedback that you're about to drop the page inside. Release your mouse button to complete the move. That page is now nested inside your folder. It's no longer cluttering your main sidebar, but it's still fully accessible. Just click on the folder to expand it, and you'll see the page inside. You can repeat this drag and drop action for any other pages you'd like to tuck away. By grouping pages into folders like this, you effectively hide them from your everyday view without losing any of your work. It's a simple habit, but it keeps your Notion work